Okay, now the only page left us for us to build is the contact page. So let's build that. So let's get back to our code. And now you can see here we have our CSS. I'm going to use my about us page to create the contact form. So I'm just going to save this as contact us.html. Okay, so what I'm going to do is whatever comes here, I'm going to get rid of this one. And okay, let this be, and I'm going to keep this much. Let me remove this. Okay, I don't need the image and I don't need this, so I'm going to get rid of this one. Save this. Now if I get back here and click on refresh, okay, I need to navigate to my contact page. Let's go to contactus.html. okay, this is our page. Now what we can do is that after the header, if you remember, we created a banner, right? So we can go to our home page. You can see this is our banner. I'm going to copy this, get to a contact us page, paste it here, and I'm going to remove this cycle slideshow, and I'm also going to remove the images inside this. And instead of this banner slider, I'm going to call this as Google Maps. Save that. Now if I get to my browser and hit refresh, you can see I have such a big blank space here. This is where I will be adding my Google Maps. Let's go to maps.google.com. Okay, I'm going to look for Google's office. Wow, there are so many Google's office here. So let's look for Google India. And let's click on share, embed map. I'm going to copy this and get back to our code. And inside this is where I'm going to add my code. So save this. As you see, we have some width and height. I'm going to get rid of this. I don't need this. Okay, save this thing. So let's scroll up and you can see this is the iframe what I have used. Remove this, save this one. Okay, so let's see how our page looks like now. I'm going to close this one, hit refresh. Okay, we have our map, but it's quite small, so we need to expand the size. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our CSS here, and we're going to say contact page, and inside that we have a banner, and inside that we have an iframe. So here we will say that the width is going to be 100% and the height is going to be, okay, I think we had a specific height setup for that. Let's see what was that height. So it's 416.66. So I'm going to say 416.66 pixels. Let's save this. Let's get back to our page and let's hit refresh. Okay, we have our Google Maps in our contact page, and let's add our contact form over here. Okay, so what we'll do is after the paragraph ends here, I'm going to create a simple div tag which is going to hold the contact form. So I'll say contact form. Inside that we'll create a form. I don't need this, and inside this we'll create a table, and this is going to have a tr with the td. Now if you remember, we already created a contact form, so let me go ahead and get that. Okay, as you can see in lesson number 9 we have our contact form. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to take the entire form from here to here. Let's copy that and close this, and in our contact us page I'm just going to paste this. Great, let's get back to our page. Let's hit on refresh, and then our contact us page is now ready.